Understanding Brothers in Purpose, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing English phrase, brothers in purpose. This expression is rich in meaning and used to describe a special kind of relationship and unity. If you're keen on enhancing your English vocabulary and understanding deeper connections, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of expressions and discover the essence of being brothers in purpose. Brothers in purpose combines two powerful concepts, brothers and purpose. Traditionally, a brother is a male sibling. However, in this context, brothers extends beyond biological relations to signify people who share a strong bond or connection, regardless of their gender. The word purpose refers to a goal, aim, or intention that individuals strive to achieve. Together, brothers in purpose describes individuals united by a common goal, embodying a deep sense of camaraderie and shared mission. The phrase, brothers in purpose, highlights the importance of unity and collaboration. When people come together, driven by a shared goal, they can accomplish great things. This unity isn't superficial, it's a profound connection that transcends personal differences, embodying the idea that we are stronger together. This concept is pivotal in various contexts, such as teamwork, social movements, and collaborative projects, demonstrating how collective effort can lead to significant achievements. To bring this phrase to life, let's look at some examples. Think of historical figures who worked together for a cause, like the suffragettes fighting for women's rights or scientists collaborating on a breakthrough discovery. These are perfect instances of brothers in purpose, where individuals unite for a common objective, showcasing the phrase's real-world relevance and power. Brothers in purpose is more than just a phrase, it's a testament to the strength of unity and shared goals. Whether in personal relationships, professional environments, or social movements, being brothers in purpose can lead to remarkable achievements and enduring bonds. We hope this exploration has illuminated the depth and beauty of English expressions and inspired you to think about your own brothers in purpose. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next linguistic adventure together.